How to post on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can post on Facebook. Well, essentially posting on Facebook is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you first. Open up the Facebook app and you'll get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is tap on this option that you can see at the top, what's on your mind. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to create your post here. You can see what's your mind. Now you can type in anything if you want to post a status, or if you want you can add colors to it. Now the other option is you can add gallery, pictures or videos here. You can see at the bottom of your screen at the bottom left you can see a little green gallery icon there. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to choose pictures or videos from your phone. The other option is once you select any picture, or if you set status, you can tag friends here if you want. You can see the tag option there as well, and you'll find the emoji icon to suggest how you are feeling there to add up on your post, and you can add a location if you want, and then simply tap on post option that you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find a little post icon at the top right corner of your screen that you can see post. Simply tap on it and your post will be posted. So this way you can post on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.